Okay, so I hope that got all that. Anyway, just backing up and loading this up, whatever. But bringing the extension ladders down. Got the big one, the I think it's 24 foot, and then the other one's a 16 foot. This is supposed to be 16 foot should work up here, just in case. I got the big one, so they'll be down here, and I won't have to worry about it. First thing, and today is very warm. It's in the 70s, muggy. Let me get in here. Yeah, it's in the 70s. It's muggy, really warm. No wind at this time, but I want to get the nail gun out. I want to start nailing these 2x12s up, and that's what we see up there. The only thing holding them right now are screws, and that works fine, but I want nails in there for added strength. So I got to do the whole way around on every column, and that's where I'm at. So anyway, I'll bring you back when I start doing something. Okay, got them up here by a 24 footer. That's about all I can handle. This one here is no problem. This one here is my go-to ladder, that's for sure. But anyway, I also, this is the day after my actually third eye surgery, because I did one eye at a time when they removed my cataracts, but that went fine. But after, well, it was, I guess about 3 or 4 months later, they said that I had to go back in for laser surgery too. There's a film that grows over, it's called, they call it scar tissue from the surgery. But anyway, I had the one eye done yesterday, and it seems to be fine. And if anybody's wondering, there's no restrictions. I said I can do anything I want, basically what I've been doing. But I got to do three days of eye drops, and then I've got to go back in for the other eye to do laser on it, and then that should be it. And it does make a big difference. I didn't realize everything was getting hazy again. It happens so quick. Well, so slow, I should say, and you don't realize it. What a difference. But anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'll get back to you when I'm ready to do something. Alright, I got the ladder set up here. I'm going to go up for the first time, but I got to get those clamps off. And I don't know if you can see them. Those clamps are right up in there. So I'll go up and see if I can get them off. Okay, this is my air compressor, the Fortress, Harbor Freight. Listen to how quiet that is. That's unreal. I love this thing. This is where I'm going to be running my air gun off of, my nail. So that's a real nice unit. I've had it for a couple of years now. Easy to get it, move around, and it's quiet. So when I start nailing, Okay. We've got an issue with the nail gun. Wouldn't push the nails the whole way in because this is all oak, hard oak. So I'm just going to have to do the best I can. I have a Parslow, but that Parslow wouldn't touch this. So this air gun's better than that, but it's got more power. It's still not enough. So just have to hammer them in by hand. But nail gun, I gotta catch my breath. That nail gun is awesome. These are 3.5-inch nails, and it's putting them in. I'm just going up to make sure that it's sinking them. The first nails I used were ribbed. They were only 3-inch, and that wasn't driving them in because of the ribs. So I wanted a smooth shank, and it's driving the nails the whole way in. So that's going to be it for now. Okay. I don't know if that was in or not. I'm going to go mobile here. I'll take you up and show you. I have not used a hammer on these yet, so, and I probably won't because there's no need to. It's going to be a little shaky going up the ladder here. Anyway, I don't know if it's sure enough. Those nails are in there. Yeah, it's doing a great job. But that's going to be it for now.